In this video, I'm going to show you how to open zip array R, 7 zip files, and Windows 11. Now, this should be a quick and easy process video. All you have to do is to follow these instructions step by step. So let's go ahead and open a file explorer. Now, as you can see, there is a compressed file. Like this, you can right-click on it and then click on Open With. And right here, you can see that you can unzip it using WinRAR. So when you click on this, you can now access the files inside the compressed file that you have seen before. So this is a way that you can do it. And also, if you want to do this with other files that are compressed, let's say, for example, something like this. You can right-click on it, then go ahead to show more options. And here you can unzip it with 7-zip. You can click on Open or Extract Files. So when you click on Open, now you have access to the compressed file. This is how a RAR file looks like. You can open it directly with WinRAR, as you can see. You can also go ahead, right-click on it, show more options, and unzip it with 7-zip. You can click on Open, and now you can access the files. So this was how to open zip, WAR, RAR, 7-zip files in Windows 11. As always, thank you for watching.